Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be giving you an update on the four meme stock GME, AMC, BB, Blackberry, and Nokia, NOK. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor or a CPA. Please do your own research and take responsibility for your own investment decision. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Without further ado, we will be talking about Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and giving you an update on these four main meme stock and see which one will come out on top. When is the end of the Wall Street bet movement and which one has a better future? Now let's get into all of these information. These days, everyone, small or big, man or woman, is talking about GME, AMC, BB, Dogecoin, and Nokia. Even Mark Cuban's 11-year-old was trading these stocks last week and made some profit. Mark Cuban tweeted, "I got to say I love what is going on with hashtag Wall Street bets. Even my 11-year-old traded with them and made money." Tweeted on January 27, 2021. We also know that Elon Musk also supports the Wall Street bet movement. He quotes, "I find that oftentimes the most ironic or entertaining outcome is the most likely. And to me, the most entertaining outcome would be Dogecoin becoming the global new earth currency." Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX. $Doge, are you ready? Question mark. Now, one Dogecoin is valued at less than $1. I do have some positions in my portfolio, and he thinks it's the global new earth currencies. It came to the extreme that someone even bought a billboard sign in New York City. $GME, go, brr, and then some stock chart. Yeah, this is an actual billboard sign with the stock handlebars on it. People love AMC and are missing AMC theaters because of the pandemic. They really like AMC and they want to defend AMC. They want to try to keep the business open and go back to a regular life of going to the movie theaters, having some fun, and spending quality time with family and friends there. And they are really upset when the infamous hedge fund companies like Citron Research and Melvin Capital have been short selling AMC stock as high as 138% for GameStop of the floating shares. That's insane. People love GameStop gadgets as well. People, especially Redditors, post on different social medias all kind of messages to encourage each other to buy GME, AMC, and to hold, not to sell. And I heard they said to hold at least until this coming Wednesday. We can take a look at some of these posts from Wall Street Best. One upvote and I'll buy 1,000 worth of AMC on Monday morning. AMC and GME hit the news this morning. Congress and the media are behind us. Hold the line. Our $200 to $300 is coming next week. Culture. Wall Street Bets just saved AMC theaters from almost certain doom. $600 million. The amount of debt erased by this week's meme stock rallies. And I did hear about that AMC CEO was really struggling before the meme stock happened, and he was losing a lot of money for the company and was pretty worried, but now he raised a ton of money and the stock is just crazy. Here is another message from Facebook. I will present the meme stocks in the next video. They want GME to reach $5,000 plus. Why GME hitting $5,000 plus a share isn't a meme anymore. I wish we can reach that price. But GameStop short sellers, especially those big hedge fund firms, are not surrendering despite nearly $20 plus billion in losses this month. And for AMC, still short sellers mostly are holding on to their bearish positions, or they are being replaced by new hedge funds willing to bet against the stock. On the other hand, people post their screenshot, their gains, their losses, mainly their gains the past week, of their positions on different social media platforms. This guy has made 717% of profit on AMC, totaling $224,000. And this guy has made over 275% with a return of 39,583 cents. So this was probably around a $14,000 investment, made almost $40,000. And this guy has made around 30% of profit on his position at AMC. Robinhood still puts a lot of restrictions on the 8 stocks. They only allow retail investors to buy 4 shares of GME. People are also really upset because their trades are being rejected. we can see in a screenshot email, "Hi Louis, it looks like your limit order to sell 16 shares of AMC was rejected on February 1st, 2021. February 1st, that's today at 8:58 a.m. And Robinhood has already received at least 4 lawsuits, and many class lawsuits will be coming against Robinhood, in which Al will be joining for sure." I did also listen to the Clubhouse. CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, Elon Musk, invited the CEO of Robinhood, Vlad Tenev, to join and have an open conversation so the public can actually learn what has really happened. And we got some interesting lessons and things that we heard about during that conversation. It's worth a listen because it describes the clearinghouse process. Between these stocks, GME, AMC, BB, NOK, I would like to compare them to see which one is more viable to buy and play with. I would like to show here that AMC has about 44% of short float shares, which is still pretty high. And at the site, TipRank's holding of AMC shares during the 7 days increased by 143%, 231% during the 30 days. It means that more and more people are holding AMC stock, which could send its price higher the next days. Also at TipRanks, a lot of 5-star members added AMC stock shares during the last 2 days, average price between $8 and $20. This is a good signal that AMC's stock price will go higher the next couple days. This Wall Street bet movement cannot end quickly, at least not for AMC. And then more of the high 4-5 stars people getting into AMC. While for Nokia, I believe that it is a different story. Its short float is pretty low now, 1.11%. Its market cap is pretty high, 26.13 billion, which would need much larger funds to influence its share price. In addition, Nokia is one of the leaders in 5G domain. They already have signed 187 contracts to build 5G infrastructure and many other highly lucrative deals. Therefore, shorting Nokia will not benefit too much because its share price will go up anyway. Nokia's share of the 5G mobile infrastructure market is between 10 and 15%, according to the Dell ORO Group. Ericsson has been between 20 and 25%. Huawei, the Chinese telecommunication company, has been between 35 and 40%. And Chinese startup ZTE has 15 to 20%, benefiting from early spending in its home market. With regard to Blackberry, executives in the 1990s liked its phone. Its technology is awesome. It just sold a big package of its patents to Chinese telegiant Huawei, which gave Blackberry a lot of cash available. And automakers and tier 1s use Blackberry QNX software in their advanced driver assistant, digital instrument clusters, connectivity modules, hands-free and infotainment system that appear in car brands including Audi, BMW, Ford, GM, Honda, Hyundai, Jaguar, Land Rover, Kia, Maserati, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Toyota, and so on. Therefore, shorting Blackberry will not last long, I believe. I believe among these hot Wall Street bet targeted stocks, AMC will still be a hot one for the next days. I believe that other investors, not just us, the retail investors, even including the small and big financial firms, hedge fund firms, are also interested in sharing a slice of cake in this Wall Street bets, GME and AMC movement. They will make money by betting both buys and shorting. They will even be able to turn a loss into a gain, and eventually the biggest winners will be them, the Wall Street gurus. And most of the losers will be the last retail investors who hold the shares of these volatile stocks. Who will they be? I don't know. I am still holding GME and AMC anyway. I hope these two stocks will reach to the moon. Therefore, apparently, people say that it is a fight of retail investors against Wall Street hedge fund firms. In reality, the total funds of retail investors are negligible. It is in fact between the Wall Street financial firms, the financial gurus, only them. They can move the stock price, at least for now. But at least some retail investors, including me, can make some profits from this movement. Maybe Wall Street Bet will grow and become a new hedge fund company who will be challenging the new old establishment, the Wall Street. We will never know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found anything interesting or informative, please give this video a like and subscribe for more stock analysis videos like this on my channel. Aftermarket today, February 1st, AMC and GME are currently dropping, but we shall see how the rest of the week unfolds. Again, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.